Hello my friends, I'm Pony from Kesu. Today we are diving into the role of CNC machining in electrical vehicle manufacturing. The rapid growth of the EV industry demands innovation in every aspect, including how components are made. As the transition from internal combustion engines to EV continues, the focus is on reducing weight, enhancing precision for battery pack production, and extending the lifetime of internal components. CNC machining is crucial in its evolution. Its precision, efficiency, and ability to customize parts make it an ideal fit for the needs of EV manufacturers. With decades of experience machining for on-highway vehicles, many CNC shops, including ours, are well prepared to meet the challenges of EV industries. CNC machining is set to play a key role in shaping the future of EVs. If you have any EV project, please feel free to contact us. We're here to help. Bye-bye.